Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMoneyAI, where we help you invest better with the power of AI. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and visit our website www.techmoneyi.com for more content, tools, and tutorials designed to help you succeed in AI-powered investing. And before we dive in, exciting news. We're about to launch our AI Trading Starter Toolkit, a digital product made specifically for beginners. It's packed with step-by-step guides, visuals, downloadable resources, and expert tips to help you choose the right bot, set it up, and optimize it over time. Stay tuned. Subscribers will get early access and special pricing. Alright, let's get into it. Today's video is for beginners who want to start with AI trading bots, but feel overwhelmed by complex platforms or advanced strategies. We'll break down 5 of the best AI trading bots with built-in strategies that are easy to use, low maintenance, and perfect for new users in 2025. Bot number 1. Pionex. Let's start with a fan favorite, Pionex. Pionex offers 16 plus free built-in bots, including grid trading, DCA, dollar cost averaging, and infinity grid. What makes it stand out is that you can start with as little as $50, and the bots are designed to run automatically without needing to constantly watch the market. For beginners, the DCA bot is especially useful. It automatically buys in small amounts at intervals, reducing the risk of entering at the wrong time. It's perfect if you're just getting started and want to set and forget. Pionex also has very low trading fees, just 0.05%, and is available on both desktop and mobile. Plus, the clean UI makes it easy for non-techies to jump in. Best for beginners looking for simple, hands-off strategies. Website: www.pionex.com. Bot number 2 to 3 commas. Next up, 3 commas, one of the most feature-rich platforms out there. The great part? Even if you're a beginner, 3 commas has a range of pre-built strategies you can copy. You don't need to design your own bot logic. What really shines is the copy trading marketplace, where you can see top-performing bots made by pro traders. You just choose one and replicate their strategy instantly. It's like having an expert manage your portfolio. There's also a paper trading mode, so you can test everything before risking real money. Keep in mind, 3 commas isn't completely free. They offer a free plan with limited access, and then paid tiers for full functionality. But for serious beginners who want to learn while trading smart, it's a fantastic investment. Best for copy trading and easy testing. Website: www.3commas.io. Bot number 3. Kryll. Bot number 3 is Kryll, a user-friendly bot platform that uses a drag-and-drop editor for strategy building. But don't worry, you don't need to create strategies yourself. Kryll has a marketplace of ready-made strategies developed by experienced traders. You can filter them based on performance, risk level, coin pairs, and more. The system runs on a pay-as-you-go model. Instead of monthly subscriptions, you pay a small fee when your bot is active. That's a great option if you want to dip your toes into trading without long-term commitments. Another plus is the real-time backtesting feature. You can see how a strategy would have performed in the past before running it. Best for trying pre-built strategies without monthly fees. Website: www.kryll.io. Bot number 4. TradeSanta. If you liked our video comparing Pionex versus TradeSanta, you'll know that TradeSanta is another beginner-friendly platform worth checking out. It offers both long and short bots, with several templates that you can activate in minutes. You don't need to be an expert, Just connect your exchange, choose a strategy, and let the bot do the work. One standout feature is their strategy wizard, which guides you step by step during bot creation. It's like having a personal assistant helping you set up a profitable trade. TradeSanta also supports major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, so you can stick with platforms you're already familiar with. Best for hands-on beginners who want flexibility but need guidance. Website www.tradesanta.com. Bot number 5. Zignaly. Last but not least, Zignaly. Zignaly is a social trading platform, which means you can follow professional traders and copy their trades in real time. You don't need to know how to code or configure strategies, just choose a pro and allocate funds. Most of the bots are performance-based, so you only pay when you make a profit. That means your interests are aligned with the traders. If you win, they win. This platform is ideal for ultra beginners who don't want to choose strategies or monitor bots at all. Just fund your account, pick a trader, and the system does the rest. Best for completely hands-off investors looking for passive strategies. Website www.zignaly.com. Quick recap. Let's do a quick summary. Pionex. Easy to use, free bots, great for small budgets. 3 commas. Copy pro traders, test before you trade. Kryll. Marketplace with proven strategies, pay as you go. TradeSanta. User-friendly with wizard setup. Zignaly. Hands-off copy trading with pro-level performance. Each of these platforms offers built-in strategies that make trading accessible, even if you have zero experience. They're all designed with beginners in mind, offering either automation, copy trading, or guided setup. If you're just getting started with AI bots and want step-by-step support, be sure to check out our AI Trading Starter Toolkit, launching soon on www.techmoneyai.com. This toolkit was designed specifically for people like you, complete beginners who want to trade smarter with the help of AI. It includes platform comparisons, setup guides, optimization tips, and even downloadable templates to track your progress. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and reviews. Drop a comment below and tell us, which bot are you most excited to try? Or, do you have another favorite that we didn't mention? Thanks for watching. This is TechMoneyAI, reminding you to invest better with the power of AI.